That's some same kind of bus comes from airport, so same color. Usually they take like half Manat, 0.5 something, 550 for the bus. For the airport one takes 1.5 or 1.20, something like that. Manat, that's it, one Manat, which is about 50 cents, or 75. So just very convenient, believe me or not. I mean, do not take taxi if you don't have much luggage. Guys, really windy, and that's how the Nizami Street looks at evening time. It's 9:20. So Friday night, Nizami Street just starting. I made a video of the daytime, and that's how you, from here Nizami Street, you can go to Old Town, Old Baku, Maiden Towers, Shervanshah Palace, and then from there you can go to Seaside. Those are close by. At 9:30, that's how it looks. Friday evening. Other side of the tunnel. Reminds me of Tuscan Square again in Turkey, Istanbul. But in that area I saw a lot of people. It was not easy to walk even in a COVID time. You probably saw a lot of videos from different people. Thank you. Somebody handed over me, I don't know, DNP something. I think if I'm not mistaken, this place is a chain, and a lot of people come here to eat shawarma, and also shawarma was something 5 Manat or around somewhere like that. And then there's also low budget people, they also eat doner, and doner is about 3 or 253. This is a kind of sandwich or burger type thing. So in a Baku you can live, I mean, in a low budget as well. Hostels are starting from somewhere $5 to 10, 15, and if you want a room get a room in a hostel, this goes about $20 or something. So if you are looking for a room in a hostel, I'd rather live in somewhere in the hotel than the hostel. because you will be sharing the same bathroom and everything, and that gets crowdy and I was here at daytime. Even there were so many people who were saying, "Oh, night is this and that," you know. Nizami Street. Everywhere you talk, they are talking about the same street. But in my honest opinion, in Baku there are a couple of things, but going to Gabala and Shaki and Kuba, Shadab, that's a much better option. I have not went to this side of the street, so let me see what's there. I see a lot of Indian and Pakistani tourists. And besides that, probably a local tourist. I don't see many, you know, only a few people coming from China, and look at them. Like, these are from Pakistan. Everybody else is like, you know, walking in front of me. India. So. I think that's it on this side. Just heard two people overheard like talking in Spanish, and beside that I heard Russian and local, because here even the locals speak Russian too, so you cannot tell, I mean, if they are from Azerbaijan or they came from Russia. So you will not see people from Germany or Europe or